Knowledge will give you the power, but character will give you respect. Adversity always present opportunities for introspection. Train your mind to be calm in every situation. When you are wrong, admit it. When you are right, be quiet. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity. For a great man, a religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fight too. A teacher should have a creative mind. Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student life bright. Love your job, but never fall in love with your company because you never know when it stops loving you. The best revenge is to improve yourself. Coins always makes sound, but paper money are always silent. So when your value increase, keep yourself silent and humble. Even a fish can avoid problem if it keep its mouth shut. Always remember, good people give you happiness and bad people give you experience. My circle is small because I am in quality, not in quantity. Silence is not empty, it is full of answer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. No one is perfect. That's why pencil have eraser. Ego is just a small 3-letter word which can destroy a big 12-letter word. Relationship. Don't believe in luck. Believe in hard work. PAIN full for positive attitude in negative situation.